guys, my name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I am back with a video. In today's video, you already see what we're gonna make, so let's get started. All you will need for this project is safety pins and a scarf. It could be a head tie scarf or a scarf like you've seen in the intro of the video. So literally all I'm gonna do is take these safety pins and just put them in a straight line. For the majority of the video, that's basically all what I'm doing with the safety pins, as you can see here. Now, let's get to how I came up with this in the first place. Okay, so for this, all I did was I put on the scarf to see how I wanted it to lay. And for this one, I wanted the two skinny ends of the scarf to be my straps like a halter top. So in order for it to hang nice and low and not too tight up on my body, as you see here, I had to add some chain links, which is the safety pins. I had to add some safety pins to the top half so I can be able to pull it down a little bit by my boobs. So I added about 3 or 4. You can add how much ever you need, depending on how long your neck is or your body. You can figure that out. You don't want it too high. You can see me pulling it back along my side. My chest is going to be out and it's not going to sit right because I have small boobs. If you have bigger chest, then it might look nice, but for me, I didn't want to do that. So I just safety pinned the 2 sides to make it a little bit more snug. So all I did was figure out where I wanted to fold it to make it look neat and cute, and that's what I did. So I'll show you here. And what you do to one side, you're going to do to the other as well. You want to make sure you fold it across looking neat and not sloppy, and try to hide the pins as much as you can. If you're working with like a printed shirt or darker type of color fabric, it'll be easier to hide the pins for sure. Okay, so now that that is done, let's move on to the back. You see how easy the first part was? Now all I'm gonna do is link the chain, and that part is basically about to be real easy, and I'm gonna show you how I linked it. All I did was a straight line down, and I linked it also when you get to the bottom of your straight line, depending on how long your back is, just gonna make 2 sides along the side of the safety pin. Does that make sense? I hope I said it right. So yeah, so all you're gonna do is basically make an upside down Y, and then you're gonna connect that to the middle of the top of your link from the halter top part, and then you're just gonna link it down to the sides of the scarf, wherever it makes you fit tight and snug, and that is literally all I'm doing. So simple as that, and you're done. And now you could just walk around looking cute with your back out. Okay, so this next look, I did it on the spot because I wanted to use a regular scarf that everybody has in their house. So all I'm doing is taking the scarf and making a triangle and trying it on my neck. And as you can see, it's too short, so I'm putting it just around my boobs. You could wear it like that if you want, but if not, and you want to still have the links with the safety pins, let's get it. This is what the video is about. So all I'm gonna do is fold in the sides, that way I can have it fit a little form to my body. So I just fold it in and then just secure the safety pins on there and kind of make it where you don't have to show the safety pins so much. So you just do that and do it to the other side. Now the difference with this one is you're gonna still use that same Y link, but you're gonna use it for the top half and the bottom half of this top. So you need it for the top half so you can have something to hold on to the top with. So that's what I did. I used the first Y like that, and I added a few more links because it was a little too short. What you want to do is for the bottom part, you want to keep the same straight links of the safety pins, and all you're going to do is find out where the middle of the safety pins meet. You're going to put a safety pin in between and just link it so that way it becomes the Y. You'll see what I'm doing here, obviously. So put it on and boom. Now you have basically 2 Ys, one for the bottom half, like before, and then one for the top. You want to definitely test it out to make sure it's going to fit around you. So as I'm putting on the safety pins for the top, you can either do it where you see the safety pin out, like it's supposed to be that type of look where you can see the safety pin, or on the second side, I'm doing it where it looks like the safety pin is hidden inside of the top. So you can choose whichever one that you like. Now for the bottom, connect it the same way you did the other top. The only difference with this one, when I tried it, there was a lot of the fabric still showing. So what I did was I went back, I just folded it in another triangle so that way it's a little bit more pointier at the ends, so it wouldn't look basically like trash. So yeah, I had to fold it and pin it like that so that way it'll hold snug to my body. And that's it. There you have it. You just do it like that and boom, you're done. Now, as I'm looking at myself, I'm like, oh snap, let's throw it up into a little bandeau top. If you want to do it into a bandeau top, you could always cut the fabric, or you can always, of course, do it more neatly than I am. I'm just showing it because that's what I thought about in the moment. But you could just fold it up neatly and make a bandeau type of top. All right, so that is the end of this quick, fun summer DIY that you can make literally like in 5 or 10 minutes and go about your day. It'll keep you nice, cool, comfortable, and then it'll look cute because nobody's really having this type of look. So go out there and make a cute little look, and you can also make cute accessories like I have in this video. I did a necklace and earrings with a little chain ring situation. So go out and make some safety pin DIY. Show your love, comments, like, share. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about me. Let me know what you think about my hair. Let me know what you think about my outfit, anything. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Later.